Hello everyone, welcome back to your social science classes. It's your online study time. Today we are going to start with our civics portion. So students, today we are going to study chapter number 23, Understanding Diversity. Do you know what diversity means? Diversity means variety. As we all are different from one another, we look different as we belong to different religion, we follow different cultures, we speak different languages. Okay, so we all are different from one another, which create diversity. For example, in your classroom, if you have noticed the person sitting beside you is looking same as you or he is looking different from you. So, people are different from one another in many ways. And how can we identify diversity? There are many reasons to identify diversity. They are physical characteristics, personal qualities, cultural background, and social and economic factors. Diversity arises due to many differences which are classified as physical differences, social differences, and economic differences, which we will study ahead. As we all know that diversity is a range of things that you see and feel around yourself. It is important to understand that India is a large and diverse country, as our country includes a great range of variety which can be seen in differences in our clothes, food habits, looks, languages, festivals, and religions. So, students, you might have observed in your class too among your friends that all your friends look different from each other, isn't it? They have different hairstyles, they have different eye color, they speak different languages as they come from different states, they have different mother tongue, they have different food habits also. Okay, so this is what diversity. I hope you all have understood about the diversity. Okay, let's talk about the social differences. The different caste prevailing social differences in people. These castes are divided into upper caste and lower caste. If a child is born in a particular caste, could only take up the job that his father did. Unfortunately, it has led to various social problems, and this leads to diversity in people. Our next topic is economic differences. Economic differences are directly related with the wealth and money of the people. This wealth creates discrimination among the people. Some people are rich and some are poor, which leads to diversity and inequality in people. It affects the people in many ways, from meeting their basic needs like food, clothing, and shelter. And this is how these economic differences also leads to diversity in people. That's all for your today's class. Thank you.